Hello guys, welcome back to the new playlist of According to Me with the tagline Correct Me If I'm Wrong. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our show video. Those persons who didn't know about our show, actually we and our team have organized a show in the previous year 2019 or you may call it 2019 in the last month December at the date of 29. So there are in our show there are a lot of contestants comes and perform their performance on the stage. Also, we invited some of special performers who go there and make them a hall. So, I'm going to discuss about that videos. I selected out or sort out some of the videos on our show, and point out some plus points and minus points as well. You know, every video has plus points and minus points. And also noted down some tips which I'm going to discuss in this videos. But I want to clear up one thing before starting the video. The thing is that guys, I'm not going to show any type of artist performance videos in this video because if I'm doing so this videos become so longer and I didn't want to that make this video so longer because this video is already making so longer. So, but you don't have to worry about anything because if you want to watch all of the videos of artists, then just simply go to the TDM queries page which is popping somewhere around the frame on your Facebook account or on your Instagram account. Or simply go to the search bar, type TDM queries. There is a page will be open. Scroll down and you will catch all of the awesome videos of our artist of our Open Sync 110 show. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about our contestant, which name is Raunak, small but the biggest dancer I ever met. Okay, so just not wasting our time, let's move straight forward to the left point. I wanna add some lines before telling about your plus points related to your video performance. That's one who didn't have to. Here that all of these plus points are passing from one year to another year. You don't have to do that, brother. Just you have to focus all of these plus points which I am telling you what is all about you. If you know all of those plus points and if you remain all of these plus points to yourself, then all of these plus points will probably give you the best result in the future. So please focus all of these plus points and listen all of these plus points instead of hearing. Okay. So, lot of plus points in a single video as you know, but I only selected out some selected plus points from your videos, and the first plus point I want to tell about RaunakPerformance is impressive performance. He is an impressive performer all the time. The guy, the boy who can walk the stage with his impressive performance. That's what an impressive performance. That's why I even come to that one performer. When this was dancing performance on the stage, all of the audience looking right down because he is an impressive performer all the time. Between all of the artists who are available on this show. So that's the first plus point I noticed from this video. All of the guys should probably notice that thing. If you didn't notice that thing, if you didn't watch that boy video, please go and watch that boy videos on our page TDM queries on Instagram or even on Facebook. So the next plus point I noticed from this video, the next plus point of Raunak is old song, new style. Yes. The boy is smartly choose an old song, but fill up the steps on that old song with this new style. That's a very smart work I noticed from this performance. It's a very small and easy task to do that. In that kind of thing, there's a very lot of smart mind work. And if that boy working at that level of smart team working in a method which is called a smart work, so it is not a little thing, I think. It's a very big thing because the boy which is of course not when filling that old song with the same style with the set to guitar height according to me. So it may be different, but it's a valid point that I noticed. So I'm telling video for that point. So this is the second plus point I noticed from your video, brother. So keep remain all of the points in notice, and also the last but not the least plus point I noticed from your videos is creative steps. Just absolutely. The point is filling a lot of steps with this creativity. So there's the normal steps, there's the signature step, and there's also a creative step. So this boy is achieving that kind of thing. This boy, without getting out of the thing, he is getting out of the thing, but he also reaching at that level, which is a very high level kind of thing in terms of field, making your own creative steps. So I think this is a very best point that I noticed in these videos, and you all of you guys also probably noticed that the guy is doing some creative steps which can amaze us. That age is doing far better than other artists. So this is all of the best points I noticed from your video. Remember, you have to remain all of the best points in your channel because all of the best points are very helpful in your future artist life. So moving towards another topic, that is minus one. Raunak, I noticed a very big minus one from your video. But you must have to think about it. Now this minus point is, there is no minus point in your video. I'm giving notification of minus point. I was just kidding. Okay. There is no minus point I noticed in your video because you are a bunch of lot of talent in yourself. In your video, please get that task. But you are doing a far better thing than us. So I respect you. Why I have a very respect because you are a full packet. I noticed because I have seen it after I noticed all of the things which are going on the stage. So when you come up yourself, but at that point I noticed that it is okay performance, but then you come to your final performance on the main show event. Then I am like Pula somehow. So really bad. So this is all about you, but there is no minus point that is given notice, but you want to use because there is some point that other people didn't notice your minus point, but you know your minus point. And if you know your minus point, it won't get to do some bad results to do and performance. So please identify if there is minus point in your performances and try to recover it because I didn't notice any minus point. So now moving to our another tip, that is a tip section for you. Tips from Raunak, the smart photographer. The first tip I want to give you, Raunak, that never compare talent to price. So it's a very good thing. So please, wherever you are, sit there and listen to that tip. Because it is a very good thing. If you have a talent, you already have a talent, as you guys have a bunch of talent at that age. So it is all we guys know that you will be getting some name, fame, some prizes. But I just want to give a little advice to you, brother, that never ever compare your talent to prize. Never ever perform on the stage for the prize. There are a lot of dancers who perform for the prize, for winning the prize. They take their dance performance as a medium to achieve the prize. Their goal is to achieve the prize and to getting all the name fans. But believe me, brother, all of these things matter in future life. It's all about these things are temporary. But what is remaining in you is your dance. If you have to focus on your dance, if you keep getting liking focus on your dance, then the prizes comes to you. You don't have to getting hard work for achieving that prize. You have to only do the hard work and work as you already doing for your talent, for your dance performance, instead of thinking about the prize success. instead of thinking about that you want or lose. You just have to dance on that stage. It matters. That didn't matter from my point of view. So I feel that so I'm going to it's a very long journey you have to cover in that phase because you are at that age and you are making a lot of savari in your age. This is not an easy thing we are going to do. We have to always tell you that what we do in your age. So this is the first thing I want to give you. The another thing I want to give you is public yourself. Raunak. You have to public yourself. And there's a lot of mediums through which you can public yourself. The first medium I think is that attending a lot of shows, performing in a lot of events as you are already doing this. So you can count in the plus one section. But this is very good for your future artist life. So keep attending all of the shows, keep attending all of the events, keep performing in all of the shows, keep working all of the events by the performance. Because this is very useful. These things matter public yourself. That audience and public know that there is a boy exists with a lot of talent, and somewhere the possibility of those steps. Possibility comes from later. If I want to think about that. The last tip I want to give you within the same tip we are doing all of the possible videos of all of the artists out there. So this is that drop a dance cover from everyone. This tip is somewhere interconnected to the previous tip because it is another method to public yourself. And this is, I think, the strongest method about public yourself. So you have to follow that method because if you are a boy and you are full of talent, you are a full package of talent, you are a bunch of talent, lot of talent, your talent. Why you platform? Because I think this is the only platform which is giving a full opportunity to get a lot of opportunity by this platform. So there is an opportunity, so why don't you take their platform and giving a lot of opportunity? Because in your age there is a lot of opportunity. You can't even see that type of opportunity. Please try and go see that type of opportunity. Because opportunity matters a lot in any type of dancing field. Please go there and so this is all I say for you. It's a dedicated video for you, Raunak. You have to follow our video. And if I summarize all of the points in a single line, then I would like to say that Raunak, brother, you please remain all of the plus points in yourself because it will give you a great positive impact in your artist life, but in future, not in current life, not in current mode, sorry. And keep trying to recovering your minus point as we didn't notice your minus point, but if you notice your minus point immediately, erase, remove, recover that minus point. So that minus point, so that the minus point wouldn't create any type of problem in your future artist life. And please implement all of the tips which I tell you in the tip section. Because if you do that, if you apply all of the things, then your video life, your artist life, your whole life would become 2 times better, absolutely, than your normal life. So please do all of the things which I said to you, and meet you in my next series, which I can't reveal yet. So if you want to know about my next series, so please connect to my social platform, which is popping around somewhere in the frame. And see you soon. Tab tak ke liye tata, bye bye.